Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and I am here at CVS with an incredible laundry deal for you guys today. You guys know I love my laundry deals. It's been a minute since I've made a video for you guys. I've been tied down with family issues, being afraid to come out because of the pandemic with all these cases rising in the different states, but I'm back. And I have a deal that you are not going to be able to resist. I decided to do this deal because a lot of people have been inboxing me and messaging me and calling me because they missed the videos. And there's a lot of people who are beginner couponers or haven't couponed in a while, so they need some refresher tips. So I decided to do this video because there are no paper coupons needed. All you need are the coupons out of the CVS app. Now, if you have paper coupons, you can use them, but you don't necessarily have to use them. All you need are the coupons out of the CVS app. And if you haven't downloaded the CVS app, please do so. It is absolutely free, and you will be very happy you did so, because not only do you receive manufacturer coupons from there, but you also receive what they call CRTs from CVS, and those are personalized coupons based on your spending habits or based on products that CVS are promoting that particular week. So normally they don't do tied CRT coupons, and I've been getting those lately. So I said, well, let me find a deal that I can combine these with to give everyone the maximum savings for the week. So we're going to use a combination of the manufacturer coupons out of the CVS app along with the one CRT coupon that CVS gave, and that way we're going to maximize our savings. We're going to get a large Tide and Gain laundry bundle for about $6.76. That does not include taxes, because you know we don't discuss taxes because everyone's taxes are different depending on whatever state, city, rural, or township you live in. So that is just the price. So you will have to adjust according to your taxes. So guys, let's head on into CVS and let's see what we're going to get. Okay, savers, I am here in the store, and I wanted to grab the ad just to show you what deal we're going to take advantage of. So this deal is good through this Saturday, which is September 18th. And again, we're not going to use any coupons. All the coupons are going to be digital from the CVS app. But if you want to use paper coupons, you're certainly able to do so. So this deal is spend $30 and get $10 back in extra bucks. Extra bucks is like paper money that you can recycle over and over and over again. If you don't have extra bucks, that's okay. You can still do this deal, but you will get some so that you can recycle. I am going to use some extra bucks in the beginning so that my out-of-pocket is even smaller. But we're going to do this Tide deal. We're going to get the Tide Pods in the tub. We're going to get the liquid Tide Pods. They're both on sale for $11.94. And then we're going to grab a bag of Gain Pods and a bag of Tide Pods that are each on sale for $4.94. We're going to go over the $30 threshold, but that's perfectly okay. But you have to at least get 98% of the $30. You have to spend 98% of the $30 in order to get your $10 in extra bucks. Now, you don't have to do the deal exactly how I'm doing it. You can get any of these products that are included in the deal. There's tons of P&G products that you can get. It's just that I love my laundry deals, and I think this is a great laundry bundle to get. It's like paying for one and getting the rest free. So that's why I'm choosing to do the laundry deal. And this is a quick and easy deal for a beginner couponer, and a quick and easy way to download the CVS app and get these coupons. So we're also going to use the CVS CRT coupon to make this even lower. Make sure that you add these coupons to your account before you shop, or else they will not come off of your account when you hit the register. So guys, let's go ahead and let's start grabbing our items. So those are the items that we're going to get again, okay? So let's start with the large Tide Pods. I'm going to grab the Hygienic Clean. Again, they are $11.94. Now, you don't have to get the Hygienic Clean. You can get some other kind. But you see they're regularly $15.99. They're on sale for $11.94. Spending the $30, you get the $10 off. We're going to use the $3 digital coupon from the CVS app. So that's going to bring them down to $8.94. Again, make sure you clip the coupon to your account before you put your phone number in and get ready to pay, so that it will come off of your account. So again, I'm getting the Hygienic Clean because that's the one that my store carries. I have a small store. There's other stores that carry other scents. So you can get any of them. Just make sure that they are the ones that are on sale for $11.94, or else it will not include in your deal and you won't get to $10 in extra bucks. So next we're going to grab the liquid Tide. Make sure you get the 92 ounce, and that is also on sale for $11.94. You can get the Tide with bleach, the regular Tide, Tide with Febreze, Tide with Downy, and the Hygienic Clean. You have tons to choose from, but just make sure it's the 92 ounce and make sure that it is on sale for $11.94, because that is the one that is included. Those are the ones that are included in the deal. And then we're going to clip the $3 digital coupon out of our CVS app. I'm grabbing the one with bleach alternative, and that's going to bring it down to $8.94. So we have these two items, so we're up to like $24 if you round up. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to grab a bag of the Tide Pods. Those are on sale for $4.94, and you have a bunch of those to choose from also. You can see they're included in the deal. They're tagged. So you have the Tide with Ultra Oxy. That's the 4-in-1. Now, you only get 12 in that pack, but you also have the original. You get 16 in that pack, 12 in that one. So decide which one is the best bang for your buck. And then, like I said, here's the 16 for the original. And then the other scent that they have is the Spring Metal. And you get 16 in those also. But they're all $4.94. I'm going to grab the one that I get 16 in because I get the best bang for my buck with that. And we're going to use the $2 digital coupon. So that's going to bring that down to $2.94 for a bag of pods. Now we're going to grab the Gain Flings, which is also included in the deal for $4.94. Now my store only has two different scents. It's the original and see, this is the original with the Oxy and the Febreze, and then the other one is the Island Fresh, and they both have the same amount of pods, 16 in each bag, as you can see. So it's totally up to you which one you want to get. It's the same price, same amount, but I'm going to grab the original because that's the one that I usually get, and we're going to use the $2 digital coupon, which again is going to bring that down to $2.94. So these are the 4 items that we're going to use the coupons for, but we're also going to combine the coupons with the CRT that we're getting from CVS, which is $3 off when you buy $15 worth of Tide Simply, Gain, Bounce, and Downy. So it's basically a bunch of P&G products. So we're going to use that in combination with all the manufacturer coupons, which is going to lower our out-of-pocket, and we're going to use any extra bucks that we have. If you have any, I have $10, so I'm going to use that because I always make it a rule that if you use extra bucks, you got to get extra bucks back. So I'm going to use $10 in extra bucks, and I'm going to get $10 in extra bucks back. So when we get up to the register and add everything up, our total should be like $33.76, but we're going to use a $3 digital coupon off of the Tide tubs. We're going to use a $3 digital coupon off of the Tide liquid, a $2 digital coupon off of the Tide Pods, the small bag, and a $2 digital coupon off of the Gain Flings, and then the $3 CRT coupon. So that is a total of $13 that's going to come off of our total. And then I'm going to use the $10 extra bucks that I have. So that'll be a total of $23. So I should only have to pay $10.76 out of pocket. But again, if you don't have any extra bucks, that's totally okay. Go ahead, do the deal. You should pay $20.76 out of pocket, but you're going to get a $10 extra buck back. So it's really like paying $10.76. So we're going to head up to the register and see exactly how this deal works out so that you know what to do. Okay, guys, so I'm headed up to the register, and I just want to remind you that if you're going to use the digital coupons in the CVS app and the CRTs, please be sure to add those to your account before you get to the register, because once you put your phone number in and the cashier starts ringing you up, you cannot add those coupons or CRTs to your account. So make sure that you do it prior to you getting to the register. So I'm giving the cashier everything that was in our cart. I'm not going to show her face because I don't want her to be embarrassed on YouTube. So there are our 4 items, as you can see. So I'm going to put my phone number in so that all of the digital coupons that I added to my account will show up at the end of the transaction once she hits total. Okay, so now you'll be able to see everything ringing up. There's the Tide liquid, the Tide Pods, the Gain Pods, and the Tide Pods for a total of $35.79 with tax. Sorry guys, I'm right beside the self-checkout and that's talking. So you can see my total is $35.79, and that is including tax. We'll review the receipt so that you can see what it is without tax. So
what do you want to come off?
I'm going to use my $10. So like I told you, I was going to use $10 in extra bucks to help lower my out of pocket, which I'm going to get right back.
You want to use all the extra bucks too?
No.
Okay, so just the $10.
Yes. So you can see the coupons coming off. There's the $3 Tide, the $2 Tide, the $3 CVS CRT that I was telling you about once you spend $15. And then there's the other $3 Tide. So we have two $3 Tides, a $2 Tide, and a $2 Gain, and that brings, and then the $3 CVS manufacturer coupon, that brings my total to $11.41. But again, that includes tax, so I will show you the receipt shortly. Okay guys, so we're back in the car, so let's review our receipt. So the first item was the Tide liquid that was on sale for $11.94. As you can see, it was regularly $16.79. The Tide Pods, were on sale for $11.94, which were regularly $15.99. CVS receipts get a little confusing because you see on the right hand side it says like $3.70, $4.63. That's after all the savings are applied, but they're applied across the entire purchase, not just one item. So that's why it looks confusing, so don't pay attention to that. Then you have the Gain Flings that were on sale for $4.94, originally $6.79. And the Tide Pods small bag, which were $4.94, regularly $6.99. So here are our coupons. So the $3 digital Tide did come off. Sorry for the camera. Let's get this focused here. Okay, so here's our coupons. The $3 digital Tide came off. Then the second $3 digital Tide came off. That was for the liquid and the pods. Then we had the $2 Tide Pods digital coupon come off, and the $2 Gain Flings coupon come off. And then the $3 off 15 P&G laundry products, which again is a CVS CRT. And as I was saying earlier, if you are an experienced couponer or you have some extra bucks, use those to lower your out-of-pocket. So I used my $10 Care Pass, which is $10 worth of extra bucks that I get every month. So that brought my total down to $10.76 for all 4 of those laundry products. Guys, that's a terrific savings. Look at what my original cost would have been. $16.79, $15.99, $6.79, $6.99. I mean, add that up real fast. That is well over $50 worth of laundry products for $10.76. Now, if you do not have $10 in extra bucks because you're new, you're going to pay $20.76 out of pocket. But you're going to get back this $10 extra buck. And like I said, this is like cash, guys, because you use it over and over again. And please follow the rule that if you use your extra buck, make sure you're getting extra bucks back, because you can use it over and over again. It's like recycling money. It's free money from CVS. So guys, that's my deal. You have until this coming Saturday. I'm sorry, you guys hear that rain? You have till this coming Saturday, which is, I believe, the 18th, to go out and do this deal. So go out, save on your laundry products. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button, comment below. Let me know if you're going to go out and do this deal, or if you've already done this deal. And I will be back tomorrow. We're going to come clearance shopping at CVS. So until the next time, keep on saving.